So, in today's video, we have the unboxing of Apple leather case for iPhone 8 Plus and 7 Plus, the midnight blue color, which was purchased for £27 from Amazon. They retail this in the Apple Store for about £50, but we're getting it for £27. Without further ado, let us start the unboxing. So, here is the product. Throw that to the side. That is it. iPhone 8 Plus leather case from the back, from the front, from the bottom, from the top, side, other side. Now, all we need to do is just pull this tab, put that to the side, and there it is. What else do we have? Nothing else. There is the case. Here is the mobile phone itself. Before we actually put this into the case, this was what I was using before. Not a fan of the rock case no more. Also have this. Not a fan of this anymore. Put these to the side. Push this inside firmly. And there you go. It doesn't even feel like you have another humongous case on top. Very good for wireless charging. Just put it on. Starts wireless charging itself. That is fabulous. So, how did you feel about the unboxing? Leather case, midnight blue. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video tutorial, how-to programming video. Thanks for now.